Some backend devs, they secure their code, but they forget their server. Bro, if your admin panel, they open like a pure water kiosk, hackers no go stress. Today, we'll talk about security misconfiguration, the silent killer. Alpha and me must the tech prophet. Oh yeah, they with me. First of all, what be security misconfiguration? Security misconfiguration, they happen when your server, framework, or cloud settings, they open past necessary. You feel write secure code finish, but one small misconfiguration like this, all your secret go exposed like WhatsApp status like this outside. So, for example, admin panel publicly accessible. You leave debug mode on for production. Oh God, even me don't do that mistake before, sha. I'm gonna lie. Then default password still dey very active. Why? Verbose error messages wey go give hackers clue, or you get your .env files wey dey exposed, or your S3 bucket dey public, or you can't get open ports everywhere, or maybe your database no even get password the way they do for your local machine. Yes, companies they do am. Or number two, you get exposed endpoints. You deploy app finish, but you forget to log /admin or /php my admin, PHP guys, or /mongo express /debug /swagger /actuator. Hackers will find out with Google Docs. That's DORKO, no be double Google Docs like document. They fit use directory brute forcing, or maybe even simple guesswork, and your dashboard go open like, welcome admin, please destroy the company. Some developers see they use default credentials like admin. That's a username and password. Some na even root. Some na even password or password 123. I don't talk this one tire. Some na MySQL with no password. Hackers, they know these combinations like birthday dates. Them go try them first before anything else. If your database no get password, hackers no need any skill to run you streets. Now just to touch the door handle, you don't enter. Them will look at verbose error messages. This one they sweet hackers where. I personally they call them the snitch. Your app throw one small error message, and instead of it being quiet, it go give us full SQL query, or maybe even database table name. If even still be column names, stack trace or file path, or some fit even give you exact file and the line number. I don't say them before. They fit give you framework version, worst one. Some of them feel leak server directory structure. Give you. Hackers go see that thing like they go see your things like treasure map. Oh boy. This one sharp. For example, look this message for screen. Or if na node error, see am for screen. Or if na Python Django debug screen, see am. We go they show you environment variables. That one na ultimate disaster. Make I show you hacker flow small in this pattern. They go just run as simple. Number one, they go hit your API with weird input first. Just to go to number two, which is to trigger error. Then go collect the verbose error message. So then go map your database, file structure, and the technologies, the stack where you use. They'll come use those information so to plan deeper attacks. SQL injection, ROC, IDOR, what I talk about which day here. Anything at all. One error message fit go expose your entire business strategy. So how do you now fix it? Like I talked before, principle of least privilege. Number two, use strong non-default credentials. No go they reuse password, or you go they leave defaults. No leave things empty. Turn off debug mode in production. Configure your Nginx or Apache for generic errors. For example, for 500 error. Now see this kind of thing for screen. Restrict admin panels and internal tools. If you use IP whitelisting, VPN, authentication, firewalls, no be everybody supposed to see /admin. Security misconfiguration are like forgetting to close your house door. Hacker no need to break in, now you invite them. Anyways, I don't try. Bye.